So hey everybody, this is Mihang. Welcome to Tech Mihang. So in today's video I'll be going to start with HTML part 2. In case you haven't seen the HTML part 1 video, I'll provide the link in the description, or you can simply click on the I button. Now we'll move on to the topics. The topics are the element and the attributes in the HTML. So now we'll move on to elements. All elements have a start tag and an end tag. Examples are the h1 element and the p element. H1 element stands for heading and p element stands for paragraph. Now we'll move on to the attributes. All elements can have attributes, so all elements we use can have attributes. Examples are the src attribute and the href attribute. Src attribute, you all must know that it is used for adding images to your web page, and href attribute is used for adding any link to your web page. Now I'll move on to the Notepad++ to show you all the examples of the attributes and elements. So guys, now I am on the Notepad++, so you can see. So first we'll talk about the elements. Here you can see this HTML tag is an element. So if I'll close it here, you can see it clearly, but we are using an attribute here known as the lang attribute. Lang attribute is used for adding languages to your web page. Okay, so now the body is also an element. As you can see, their body open, body closed. Now the h1 element. So h1 element, you all must know that it is used for adding headings, that I have told you earlier in the part 1 also. So I have added it here to show you. It is an example of elements. Then p is also an example of element. This is used to add any paragraph. Okay, now this is the attribute. Image attribute is used for adding any image to your web page. So this is the src or the img attribute. Okay, src attribute is used for like any, if you want to add any image, that I have told you earlier. Now we'll move on to the style attribute is used to add any color or style to your web page. Okay, so it is a css body. Okay, now here you can also see that it is used an element p, paragraph. So as I've told you, all elements can have attributes. Okay, so here both the elements and the attributes are used. Now the href attribute is used to add any link to your web page. So now I have added here and link to my part 1 video. Okay, so here you can see the body and the HTML tags are closed. Okay, now here you can see I haven't closed the lang attribute, so that's why these are known as attributes. They aren't closed in this HTML. Okay, now I'll run this all for you to show you. Okay, now F5, then run. Guys, as you can see, this is the image, then this is the CSS body that I've told you, style, then this is the link. If I'll click it here, it will take me to my video. Okay, now I'll run it again. So I haven't saved it basically, that's why you are not able to see the headings and the paragraphs. As you can see, hello world, this is the element and this is also the element, paragraph element. Then the image attribute, the style attribute and the link attribute. Now I'll tell you about some more tags. First is the br tag. Br tag is also known as line break element tag. Okay, so now I'll type a random address here. Okay, so first I'll add a br tag here also, because I don't want to merge these both. Okay, now br. Okay, wait, first I'll add the address, so I'll type here the address. So br tag, then the sector, I'll add the sector 12, br tag. Okay, so you don't have to close the br tag. Okay, it is an tag that isn't closed, so these tags are known as empty tags. Okay, then the city, I'll add here anything you can add, so I don't want to add anything, so I'll add example. I'll type here example. Okay, no matter, I only want to show you the tags. Okay, now the pin code, so I'll add the pin code 1234, br tag. Okay, so now, okay, I'll add the phone number also. I'll add here 12345, then 09876, br tag. Done. Now I'll run it for you. As you can see guys, this text is breaked and it is not merged in a single line. If I'll show you, I'll not add the br tag here to show you what will happen if I'll not add the br tag. Okay, so as you can see guys, the link and the address is merged, address and sector also is merged with this link. Okay, if I'll not add the br tag. Now I'll add the br tag again. Now as you can see guys, the line is break properly. Okay, so the br tag is used for this purpose. Now I'll tell you about the hr tag. The horizontal rule tag is also an empty tag. It is used for adding an horizontal line in between the texts. So if I'll type here basically that hello world, then I'll type the hr tag, and now I'll type here again hello world. Okay, so now I'll run this. As you can see guys, hello world, then a horizontal line in between these both text, and again hello world, as you can see. So for this purpose the hr tag is used. Now as you can see, we have completed the element and attributes. So these all are very easy. HTML is very easy. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so we'll meet in the next HTML tutorial. Till then, stay tuned.